Have an Excel spreadsheet that you want to open in LibreOffice. LibreOffice Calc can open common Microsoft Excel formats, making it easy to view, edit, calculate, and manage spreadsheets without Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open Excel files in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, locate the Excel spreadsheet you want to open. Common Excel files usually use formats such as XLS or XLSX. Make sure you know where the spreadsheet is saved before opening it. Next, launch LibreOffice and select Calc, the spreadsheet application included with the suite. Calc provides the tools you need to work with Excel spreadsheets, including formulas, tables, charts, and data. Now select File, then Open, and browse to your Excel spreadsheet. Select the file and click Open. You can also usually double-click an Excel file if LibreOffice is configured as the default application for that file type. Once the spreadsheet opens, review your data and formatting carefully. Check formulas, charts, tables, cell formatting, and page layouts to make sure everything transferred correctly. Take a moment to compare important calculations with the original spreadsheet if you have access to it. After reviewing the file, you can edit it directly in Calc. Change values, update formulas, format cells, add charts, or organize the data as needed. Save a copy first if you're working with an important spreadsheet and want to preserve the original. Finally, choose File, then Save As, and select the format you need. If the file needs to remain compatible with Microsoft Excel, choose an Excel format such as XLSX. So the Excel spreadsheet is now open, editable, and ready to save or share from LibreOffice Calc. And that's how to open Excel files in LibreOffice. Locate your spreadsheet, open it with Calc, review the data and formatting, make your edits, and save it in the format you need. LibreOffice makes it easy to work with many Excel spreadsheets, even when Microsoft Excel isn't installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.